So for our next team, we're going to invite Noor Medical from the University of Freiburg to the stage. This is a team who's taking on, again, it's exciting for us. While harnessing the power of energy was our challenge, we have teams doing food, we have teams doing traditional solar energy, and we have the likes of Noor Medical, which is going after healthcare, going after the otherwise serviceable market of rural healthcare. And I like to invite Noor Medical up on the stage. For us at Hult Prize, we push for reality. Putting a presentation on paper will not get you to the UN. And this is a team who week after week came to us with partnership agreements, with LOIs, with purchase orders. Because week in and week out, we said, market's not big enough. You're not good enough. The product isn't there. And they would come back with signed LOI after signed deal and term sheet. And with that, you're going to get to see what these deals are all about. Ready? Noor Medical.
Think of a time that you or a loved one underwent surgery. You probably had to worry about many things, but not the sterility of instruments being used. However, for 1.5 billion people in the world, this is simply not the case. Noor Medical provides off-the-grid clinics with a solar sterilization solution that allows them to improve safe surgery outcomes. When I co-managed the construction of this clinic in Chad, I met many people who don't have access to safe surgery. But it's not just Chad. 1 out of 3 patients in the developing world suffer from post-operative infections. To find a solution, we have been talking to experts, doctors, and organizations on the ground to understand the root causes of this issue. They require a sterilization solution that can help them improve healthcare outcomes. And now Layla will speak to you about that solution.
Thank you, Saji. The existing solutions to sterilize medical instruments on the market are either very expensive or have a low sterilization effectiveness. Our hybrid autoclave solves these issues. An autoclave is a device that sterilizes medical instruments. Our hybridclave operates with a diversity of energy inputs, including the energy of the sun, and meets the sterilization standards of the World Health Organization. We entered into partnership agreements with the healthcare networks Adventist Health International and DFAM, and these healthcare networks are also our early adopters. Through our work, we identified a strategic price point far below the price of conventional sterilization solutions that often cost at above $1,500. In addition to that, we provide functional advantages that our competitors simply do not provide. In addition to our hybridclave, we also offer digital services on how to use our device, as well as general sterilization guidelines. Furthermore, we offer critical pre- and post-sterilization products known as our Safe Surgery Package. And now Andrew will guide us through our market.
Thank you, Lila. Noor Medical is positioning itself into one of the world's fastest growing healthcare markets, with a surgical market in sub-Saharan Africa that alone is worth over $3 billion USD and growing. Over the last few months, we've spoken to stakeholders on the ground, and we have identified 200,000 healthcare clinics that fit our operating context, meaning that they lack electricity entirely or suffer from frequent grid disruption. But importantly, the majority of these healthcare clinics require multiple autoclave devices. And indeed, this context exists outside of the areas shaded in blue, to other developing regions such as the Indian subcontinent, where you have over 150,000 such clinics. We're targeting both private and public healthcare clinic networks. By targeting the operators of these networks, who sometimes work with hundreds of clinics, we're able to minimize the points of contact necessary while maximizing sales potential. And we are continually building momentum in our safe surgery movement with world-class partners in medical logistics, such as Riders for Health, infection prevention education, such as SPECT, and the healthcare field at large, with partners such as B. Brown and Lifebox. Noor Medical actively catalyzes partnerships in order to enter new markets and maximize the potential of our products. Our projections anticipate a break-even point by year 2.5 and an attractive return on investment with an internal rate of return greater than 60%. And we'll be seeking a second round of finance in 2021 in order to amplify the impact of that $1 million Hult investment, continue to enter new markets, and extend our social impact. And now Federico is going to speak about the impact of safer surgery.
Thank you, Andrew. Our financial performance is coupled with life-changing social impact. Within the next 5 years, 12.5 million people will benefit from safer surgery. This impact is much greater when we take into account the interlinkages between healthcare and socioeconomic development. And we are well in our way. Our traction includes a $100,000 commitment from a key industry partner, B. Braun, who produces half of the world's surgical instruments. As well as we have purchase agreements with networks of clinics on the ground. And this is a picture of Enoch and I. It has been an exciting journey thus far. From the early prototyping phase to partnering with major players in the safe surgery space. We are confident that our solution can improve safe surgery outcomes anywhere. And we are the team leading this change. My name is Federico, and I bring to the team my experience in finance in developing countries.
My name is Andrew, and I bring my operations and sales experience to the team.
And I'm Saji, and I bring to the team my expertise working in the sub-Saharan healthcare sector.
And my name is Laila, and I bring my expertise on catalyzing partnerships, and it is my honor to lead our team of international experts.
Our engineering team knows and understands how to design for the local context. And our advisory board is composed by leading experts in key areas such as business development, medical logistics, and healthcare. And we are proud that Donald Berwick, co-founder of the Institute for Healthcare Improvement, joined our board. We are Noor Medical. Join us in making safe surgery a reality worldwide. Thank you very much.